Hello. So what we're going to be doing with this activity is I'm going to show you guys how to use a calendar to identify the patterns within the lunar cycle in order to make more accurate predictions about future lunar phases. So by now, we have mastered identifying the phases and ordering them using our hashtag strategy, but now we need to apply it onto a calendar and look for patterns with our four major phases. So our four major phases are going to be our new moon, our full moon, our quarter moon, and our third quarter moon, or last quarter. And I think that the biggest way to remember that those are our major moon phases is those are typically the easiest to remember. Your new moon with no light, your full moon with 100% light, and then your first quarter and your last quarter where you only see 50% of the moon illuminated by the sun. So as you can see, we have a calendar for January with some lunar phases already labeled. And then we have some question marks. So I have 3 calendars. I'm not going to fill the entire calendar for each of them. They progressively get more difficult. And then here are your answer choices, where I'm going to copy and paste these phases to their correct location. So to start off, we know that our lunar cycle typically lasts approximately 29.5 days, with each phase lasting anywhere from 3 to 4 days. So with that in mind, looking at this, I find it easiest to start with our full moon or our new moon, okay? So if this is our full moon, we can see that this cycle from the 3rd to the 7th is getting bigger. We're getting more light. So we're growing, which says that this is a waxing cycle. This looks a little bit bigger than half to me. So I would say it's approximately a first quarter. And so between first quarter and full moon, we know from our hashtag, should be our large waxing moon. So we should see a big moon with white on the right. So I'm going to go to my answer choices. I'm going to find my large moon with white on the right. Here's one with white on the right, but it is medium sized. White on the right, but it's small. So white on the right and it's large right here. So I'm just going to hit Control C and copy that. And I'm going to hit Control V and I'm going to drag it. Okay. And each phase lasts approximately 3 to 4 days. So I'm going to paste that 3 times until we get into our full moon. Okay. And then we know that our full moon lasts 3 to 4 days as well. And I'm going to copy and paste that 3 times because a week after a waxing gibbous, we will see another moon. So after our full moon, we know that we're starting to lose light. And one of our memory devices that we use is we say black on the right, losing light. So when we look at our answer choices, we're looking for black on the right, losing light. We also know that our big moons like to hang out together. So I have one large moon, I have my extra large moon, so now I need my other large moon. Okay, the moon light gradually decreases. So we're looking for a large moon with black on the right here. It's large and black is on the right. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here. And we know that each phase lasts 3 to 4 days. So I'm going to do that a couple more times.